Lexi, where's St. James? Is he in your crate now? What's he doing in your crate? What's he doing in your crate? What? What's he doing in there? Oh, you can't bite his nose? What's the matter? You're really gonna go crazy. Oh, she's got the bottom of the crate open. She's got the bottom of it open. Look. What's the matter, Judy? Lexi, you aren't even gonna know. What's the matter, St. James? What you doing in there, buddy? Lexi, what's he doing in there? What's he doing? Tell him to get out of your crate. Tell him to get out of your crate. Oh my goodness, Lexi, get him out. Get him out. What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter, Lexi? Okay, we'll take him away, okay? We'll take him away.